two of them. They're talking. Oh no, they.
Baby, what you wishing for? Maybe you should wish it more. Maybe the world is yours.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janae, and I hope you have an amazing day. Anyway, I know you read this title. This was a very impulsive trip. It is literally 8 o'clock. I need to go ahead and pack. I know I'm bringing this bathing suit bottom and this little top right here, and I just need to pack. I'm not gonna need that much clothes, but I just need to pull clothes out and then put them in a backpack, and then I need to pack some food. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna bring a couple scarves because I know I'm sorry, I'm talking to y'all and I'm not even in the frame. I know, and I'm probably real close up right now. Don't even judge me. Like, girl, you don't be getting close up on your FaceTime calls. I know you do. Don't even play with me. I'm bringing a whole bunch of scarves. I shouldn't even bring a whole bunch of scarves. Let me just pick out my outfits first and then bring the scarves that match. Like, girl, I'm over here trying to get ahead of myself. Like, so I have what I'm gonna wear to the Springs. Now I just need to find out, okay, so I'm only gonna be there for one night and then like a day, but it's gonna be like a travel outfit and then going to the Springs. Let's just get this ball on the road. Let's really do what we gotta do, baby. All right, here's my pajamas. Let me get some underwear. Y'all think 3 pairs of underwear is good for one night? And I mean, who knows how many showers I'll take. I'll bring 4, 5. I think we're being a little obsessive now. It's a little too much right now. We're doing a little, we're okay. I'm gonna go in my closet and pick out an outfit, or maybe like 2 or 3. I think I'm gonna wear this little dress and little sweater not sweater, but little flannel combo that I've been wearing for like the last couple days, but I ain't gone nowhere. So I'm gonna just pull that out, because you know, if we go to this museum, we're gonna want to look cute, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna want to look like no bum. So I'm gonna pull this out. Y'all, that is too cute. It's giving like, it's giving cute. It's giving cute. I don't care. And I'm for sure want to bring these pants. And look, and we're gonna wear this right here because I'm pretty sure it might rain, and I'll bring my rain boots. Let's get it. All right, and then should I bring one more outfit? Yeah, we'll bring one more just in case I'm not feeling either of these, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, I'm gonna try this on. I don't know if it's giving what it was supposed to be gave. Okay, y'all, so this was the outfit that I was like, I don't know if it's gonna be cute or whatever, but we're giving nature girl with the little, we're giving nature girl. We're giving she loves nature. We're giving environment friendly. We're giving 100% thrifted outfit, okay? Yes, ma'am. Work it queen. And actually, that outfit's 100% thrifted. That outfit's 100% thrifted. This minus that top is 100% thrifted, and then all my underwear and pajamas, that's not. All right, y'all, so I got all my clothes laid out on the floor. I'm gonna put them away, and then these scarves don't go with any of the outfits that I have out, so I'm gonna go under my drawer in my bathroom to see if I have some. But other than that, I'm gonna just pack these clothes in this little book bag, and I'm gonna get myself ready for bed because I gotta drive 3 hours. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. It ain't even like, the way I'm excited, bro, ain't even funny. Like, this gonna be like the best trip ever, bro. Like, for real. Like, content, like. Hey guys, so I put everything in the car, had my mom help me. I did not film, so sorry. But so I'm about to go pick up Abigail. And this trip is gonna be real. This trip is like really happening. Like, wow, like, oh my gosh. And it's Abigail's birthday today, so happy birthday, girl. Purr. She is 22 today. Yeah, let me go pick her up. I told her I'd be there at 10 to 10:15. It's 9:54, so let me text her and tell her I'm on the way and be on the way for real. This thing was $15, $17 though, but it looked good. I'm lucky scared. Trying to be in my video.
Hello world.
We out here. My shoe fell off. I mean, the bottom, the whole.
We outside.
Right, the whole thing fell off.
Holy fuck, look at those clouds. It looks sexy back there.
Right here?
No.
Right there. Oh.
Here we go again. I'm gonna do something on my phone today. Should I put it in both? That is going to show all of us. How you going to tell when it's not in the right? Girl, just turn it around. Just turn it around. Hello.
Like this?
Yeah. Ready? Oh, we gotta hurry. It's about to rain.
It is about to
Ready?
Wait, so if when it starts raining, what we're gonna do? Just get in the car wet? We're just gonna get in the car.
Yeah, we're just gonna get in the car. That's what we did last time.
Okay, well, we can try it, but wait, I don't even have my glasses on. Oh.
Get out of here,
Are we just gonna do it?
Get out of here. Get out of here. I guess. I mean, at the end of the day, it's water. We're just gonna get water and water.
Alright, we're gonna get into it. We just gotta get our head in. Once we do, it's not cold anymore, right?
Right. Right.
Alright, so we should throw the noodles out there and then jump to the noodles.
You're trying to jump to your noodles? Jump to it. Jump, jump, jump.
No.
Boy, and you don't just wait for
It
them.
is really cold out here.
Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Okay, ready? Set. Go. Okay. My legs are bendy. Bendy, bendy, bendy. Ready? Okay, we got this. Ready? I did it! I did it! It's good! You gotta get all the way. Take a little, take a little, take a little. Holy cow, I feel like this is gonna like freeze my. I'm so cold. This is like one of those promo rooms. She can't hang, y'all. Sit cool. Hey, get my phone like. What would you like? Hey, my arms. So cute.
Yo, the water out here ain't even a joke. I feel like Tarzan's cousin.
You can take pictures of me in the water.
Do I look like Tarzan's cousin?
I didn't know Tarzan had a cousin.
He don't.
The
I'm
monkey?
no. I'm just Tarzan's cousin.
Gorilla?
I made it.
His cousin?
Oh, you right, cause he grew up in the. Well, I'm his distant cousin. He ain't know I was in a cave nearby. It's gonna start raining. It's already raining.
It feels good now.
We out here. It's raining. It's really cold.
It's actually really warm now.
That leaf just.
Why you look like everybody's leaving us?
Yeah.